Hi, this is Greg from Structural Toolkit. There are three ways of licensing Structural Toolkit: a single USB hardware license, a network USB hardware license, and a cloud-based license. The single USB license is a blue USB device that contains a single Structural Toolkit license and will provide this license when plugged into any computer that has Structural Toolkit installed. It's not restricted to just one computer, so you can move it around as needed. This license type doesn't need an internet connection to operate, and so it's useful for users who need to work in remote places without access to the office network or internet for periods of time. The network USB license is a red USB device that can contain one or more licenses. It is plugged into a main computer or server, usually within an office, and can provide its license or licenses to any computer that is on the same local network. This requires the installation of network licensing software on the computer the device is plugged into. Users who want to connect a network license will just need to configure their IP in Structural Toolkit to the IP of the server or main computer with the USB device plugged in. Your IT may also need to give certain network permissions. We have a variety of resources in our Learning Center to help with setting up and managing this license type. The network license will also work with users connected to the local network via a correctly configured VPN. We have a few documents about VPNs in our Learning Center. When needed, this USB device can also be used as a single USB license. Finally, we have our cloud license, which allows a license to be obtained through the internet from our Australian-based license server. A cloud license can be accessed anywhere with a stable internet connection that can connect to our Structural Toolkit website. It's important to note that this internet connection has to be continuous, as losing internet connection will mean losing access to the license. Your IT may also need to give certain internet permissions. Like our network license, we also have resources on our Learning Center for how to use and set up cloud licensing. One important difference between the cloud and USB license to be aware of is what happens if your subscription expires. Because the Structural Toolkit Office maintains the cloud license server, you will need to ensure your subscription is maintained to access your cloud license. With the USB license, if you miss your subscription renewal, your license will still be accessible. However, you will not be eligible for updates, support, or USB breakage and loss coverage. That covers the licensing options for Structural Toolkit. This should give you a good idea of which license type will suit your needs. If you're interested in getting a license, send us an email or give us a call by using the details from the Contact Us section of our website. Thanks for watching.